Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I'm so glad you found me. I have a Dollar Tree and Walmart DIY for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this beautiful elf under surveillance Christmas wreath using Dollar Tree and Walmart items. Let me show you how to make it. To get started, you're going to need one of these green wreath bases that you can get from Walmart. Now this is over in their holiday section. This is a 20-inch non-lit basic wreath and it is $2.88. Now I've gone ahead and fluffed mine out. They just come really squished together, so you just need to go through and separate your little prongs and fluff out your wreath till you get a nice shape. And then go ahead and set this aside. We're going to be adding decorative mesh to our wreath. You will need the dark green mesh, red and white. You will need to cut 8 pieces at 14 inches of each color. Once you have your mesh cut, then you can start to do your bundles. We're going to be doing the crumple method. I just like to use something to weigh it down. It makes it easier. You start at one end and roll it. I usually just roll twice. You'll need a couple clips to make it easy for you. I put the clip in the middle and then turn and do a roll or two on the other end. Then grab in the center and scrunch all the way across so you get it pinched in the center like that. And I use a clip to hold it. And you do the same to the other two. If you enjoy hauls, crafts, and learning new craft techniques, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you hit the notification bell when it pops up, you'll be the first to know every time I upload new content. Once you have all 3 of your bundles, you can go ahead and attach it to your wreath. And we're going to use the little fronds here to attach it. So just find your spot, lay it down in, grab the fronds and pull them and give it a twist. And I just kind of have the fronds up, and then you just want to adjust your mesh so that you can see all 3 colors on both sides. Just like that. And then as you're placing your bundles, you'll place one at the top, one at the bottom, one on the right, one on the left, and then go back and place one more in between each one. That'll give you a total of 8 bundles. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and finish adding my deco mesh bundles to my green base. All of the bundles are in. I think it looks very nice and full. And now we're going to go ahead and add in some ribbon. So set this aside. I pulled out 2 ribbon. This one I got from Dollar Tree. It is messy to work with, but it's very pretty. It's just glittered red ribbon. And it is 9 feet. You will need a full roll. Then I also pulled out this ribbon. Now this ribbon is really nice ribbon. It is fabric material and it has red, green, and gold stripes on a white background that's trimmed in gold. This is 2.5 inch and it is wired edge. This one I got at papermart.com and it is called Christmas Stripes Ribbon. 2.5 inches by 10 yards and I paid $6.45. This one that I got from Dollar Tree is 2.5 inches by 3 yards. Okay. You're going to want to cut 10 pieces at 9 inches each. And we're going to be putting one of each together, and we're going to kind of cross them so that they both show. And as you're placing them on your wreath, place one near the outside, the next one near the inside, the next one near the outside, and just alternate as you move around your wreath. We put all of the bundles along in the center, so we need something a little on the inside and a little on the outside. And that's what we're going to use the ribbon. So you just want to find the center, scrunch it together, scrunch the other one in the center, and then you want to cross them, because you want both of them to show really well. And then find your spot. This one I put on the outside, so the next one I'm going to move over and put on the inside. Just find your two little ties of where you're going to tie it in and tie it in. Just give it one good twist. And then adjust your ribbons so that you can see all of them. I just kind of lift mine out. Make sure it's all turned the right way. Make those ends look pretty. Just like that. Now it'll take about 4 bundles around the inside and then 6 bundles around the outside. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put in the rest of my ribbon bundles. I have all my ribbon bundles in. I think the base looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm very happy with it. Now we're going to work on our sign, so go ahead and set this aside. Now to attach the sign, you're going to need some pipe cleaners and some floral wire. And this is the sign I've chosen. It says, "This house is under elf surveillance." I thought it was absolutely adorable and goes perfect with the other embellishments that I picked up. To attach this, I went ahead and glued 4 pipe cleaners all the way around. I'm going to be using these to tie it onto the wreath form. And then here where the hanger was for the sign, I took that out and I put some floral wire. Just in case I decide to put this outside on my covered patio. If it gets too cold or too hot, the glue might loosen and then the sign might fall off. But by using the floral wire, this guarantees that the sign will not fall off. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and attach our sign. So you just need to decide where you want to place it. I kind of look at my decorations and decide what I want as the top, what I want as the bottom. I really like my signs to sit up on top of the mesh and pretty much in the middle. And that's where I'm going to put this one right here. And then all I'm going to do is take the pipe cleaners and the floral wire, wrap it around this base, and then push it down so it's hidden underneath everything. And then tie it onto the back. I have my sign on. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks great. Now the next thing that I'm going to add is this really cute little elf hat. I picked this up from Walmart. It was $2.98. It is their holiday time. And it also came, you could get these as well, which I thought were really cute, little legs. And these guys were $1.48. So I'm going to add the hat, and I think I'm going to place it a little bit more here onto the side. Kind of like that. And then I'm going to put the legs down below so it looks like he's kind of hiding in the wreath like that. Now they both come with a clip. I'm going to use the clip, but I'm also going to use hot glue to make sure that they both stay placed. For your convenience, I've included a detailed list in the description box below of all the tools and materials I used to complete the project. Okay, so I clipped him down in there, and then I put a bunch of hot glue, and now I'm just going to hold him in place until that glue sets up. And I'm going to do the same thing to get the hat attached. For the final embellishments, I'm going to be adding some of these really pretty ornaments. You get 5 in a pack. I really like them. They have all the right colors. The red base, the green stripes, and the white snowflakes. Now to glue these in, I just put the glue around the top and then nestle them in. Wherever you would like them. In addition to those, I'm also going to add a few of these ornament candy canes. I think these are really pretty and will look great. Plus they have candy canes on the sign, so it'll tie them in. And I'm simply going to hot glue these on as well. I'm going to add the last bits of embellishment, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. And there you go. We are all done. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. It is so fun and festive. I think the balls and the candy cane were the perfect addition to finish off my elf surveillance wreath. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show me some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. It lets YouTube know that I have content that's worth watching, and then they show it to more people and my channel grows. Thanks again for stopping by. You know it's always a pleasure to see you. I hope everyone is staying happy, healthy, and strong. Happy holidays, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you next time.